Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all. I'm trying to get all these videos in before New Year's. This is the first video I've done, y'all, in 3 weeks. I did all, behind the scenes. Maybe one day I'll do a video of behind the scenes how I do it. But I do all my videos in a month, probably in a week and a half. Like the December Vlogmas that y'all be seeing there, but Vlogmas is over. And I did all them videos in about 10 days. Yeah, 23 videos in 10 days. So, yeah, but this is the first. Y'all know I've been going through all this difficulty stuff, but I'm not going to get in that right now. That's a video for another day. But back to what I was saying, this first video I've done since December the 10th. And the day is, let's see what the day is. Today is December the 20th. What is the day? I'm sorry, y'all. Today is December 23rd, the day before Christmas Eve. But you'll get this way after Christmas Day because this is a New Year's related item. So just letting y'all know. This first video I've done so long. So I've got to get back into my groove here before the New Year starts. I got a definite video coming out for New Year's. The day after New Year, y'all must stay tuned to that. But enough said about that. This is about money right here on New Year's Day. And some people use collard greens, some people use mustard greens, turnip greens. We grew up eating cabbage. Cabbage is money. That's the little slang for money is cabbage. You got how much cabbage you got. That means money. So we grew up eating this on New Year's Day. I'm going to do it just like my mom used to do hers. Very simple, very easy, y'all. You got to have some pork, Jowls. I got some, my mama called salt Joe. You actually can fry it. You want to see a video how I boil and fry this up? Let me know, y'all. But this is salt pork. That goes in the cabbage. You must have that on New Year's, too, growing up. If you don't eat pork, by all means, put turkey in there. Or you can use some beef shanks in there. I've seen people do that. But I grew up eating just salt Joe. So I'm going to cut this in big strips, y'all. Big hunks. And I'm going to cut this cabbage up, onions. But first thing I'm going to do, which I'll show you when I get back, I'm going to put some garlic, onions in here. A little chicken stock. You can use pork stock. I might use that ham stock. I have that. And this. And I'm going to let this simmer for about an hour. Get a nice, rich stock. And then I'm going to put the cabbage in, which doesn't take long. This is not fried cabbage, y'all. This is boiled cabbage. With a lot of pot liquor to go with the cornbread. I might put some chicken wings, fried chicken wings with it. But anyway, let me get everything, step off here, get the onions chopped up, the pork cut up. We'll come back and we'll get this pot liquor going and we'll put the cabbage in right in. Anyway, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. All right, y'all, I got my cabbage cut up. See here, I cut my cabbage in big chunks there. Not chunks, but, just like my mom used to do it. I got my onions here, and I got my salt Joel I cut up. See, I cut in the big chunks like this, so y'all can see it. Big chunks like this, y'all, so because it's going to have to render down. So what I want to do, I'll move y'all over here. First video I've done in a while. You're dealing off the holidays off. Yeah, righty. All righty, y'all. Now, first thing I'm gonna do is cut this back on. I had this on, y'all. It's getting too hot. Throw my onions in here. This is on. Alrighty, we're gonna kind of sweat these onions down just a little, y'all. Not much, but these onions gotta cook a while with that, nothing like cabbage and onions, y'all, and garlic. So yeah, like I say, these onions gotta cook down a while. It is cold here in Texas today, y'all. I know it's cold all over the United States right now. Right now, it's like in the teens, like 19 degrees here in Texas, where I am, here in KATY. And then it's colder than others. And I feel sorry for people in Chicago and Detroit, New York. Pretty cold over there as well. Way colder than us. But we've been blessed. They ain't cut the power off, knock on wood, like they did last year. They had to cut the power off on them. Everybody was sitting in the dark in the freezing cold in the state of Texas, y'all. So anyway, I'll get this here sauteed off. throw our bacon in here. And what we gonna do, I don't even have to render this bacon. I want this bacon, these onions, all this stuff. It's gonna come together, y'all. We're gonna make an awesome stock here. Hold on, let me get my cup here. Or as we say, pot liquor. Alrighty. One more. There we go. Now I'm gonna add a little ham stock to this, not a lot, cause you know the salt bacon got salt in it too. So I don't want to over salt this thing. So I'm gonna add a little ham base in here. Mix that up in there. And that's gonna simmer down, y'all, and make me a nice, good pot liquor. And then we're gonna slowly add, after this pretty much cooked all the way. You know, it don't take long to cook cabbage. Take about 20, 30 minutes to cook cabbage. It don't take long at all. It ain't like greens where it sometimes take an hour to cook some greens. Cabbage don't take as long. So I wanna get this done pretty much 3/4 of the way done, and then we'll come back and we'll add our cabbage to this and boil it down some. And I'm gonna have me some cornbread. Might have some chicken wings or whatever with it. We'll see what I have by the time this is done. And we'll go from there. Definitely gotta have a pan of cornbread. Anyway, y'all, we'll be back when it's time to add the cabbage. Old school cabbage and pork jowls. New Year's Day tradition. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Let me give y'all a shot. I know y'all hear chicken frying. I'm gonna show y'all here in a second. My pot liquor, see how it's reduced down a lot? Let me check the bacon here. So what I'm gonna do now, y'all, I'm just gonna add the cabbage little by little in here. And like I said, I like a lot of pot liquor in my pot. We're gonna let that, as a matter of fact, I'm gonna turn up the fire there. We're gonna let this sit in there. It's gonna take about, I'm gonna let this boil, simmer about 30 minutes, y'all. Simmer about 30 minutes. I'm gonna put the lid on here and let it do its thing. And like I told y'all, I got some chicken. I'm gonna have me some chicken. I think I need to turn these over, y'all. I got me some chicken wings here. I'm gonna turn these over. This ain't part of the video, y'all, but I got a new breading here, and I'm trying to test out here. If it comes out good, I'm gonna show y'all. I'm doing a separate video, and I got somebody come out with a new chicken breading, want me to try, and I'm still trying to try it out here, and I'll do another video on it, on some fried chicken wings, a special chicken wing breading. But it's looking good so far. So anyway, y'all, I'm gonna let these chicken wings cook. I got my cabbage cooking. Like I said, I got some cornbread in the oven. And it's looking good here today for me, y'all. Nice winter day. Some cabbage, cornbread, some fried chicken wings, can't go wrong, right? Anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. All right, y'all. Cabbage is simmering here. And like I told y'all, I like a lot of pot liquor in my cabbage. Y'all see I got my chickens ready back there. Got me some cornbread here. Just practicing some recipes, y'all, while I'm downtime after the Vlogmas. So I just get in the kitchen. I said I gotta do one video. I might well do some more just to kind of practice some different things for future videos. Like I say, the chicken wings come out good. Cornbread is a new mix I'm gonna try out too. Different things, so maybe some upcoming videos. But the main focus right now is this cabbage here. So I'm gonna let this simmer, y'all, for about 2 or 3 more minutes. I added some white vinegar to this, and I like my cabbage cooked down. That's used to be one of my mom's pet peeves. She did not like no hard cabbage. She liked it cooked down, and that's the way she used to cook it, because she used to eat it with her fingers. A lot of people don't know about eating greens and cabbage and all that with your fingers My mama used to eat that, put some cornbread in there, in a bowl, and eat it with her fingers. So a lot of people don't know about that. So she wanted the cabbage really, really tender. You see I got that nice Jowls, pork, salt Jowls in there. Or we used to call it salt Jowls. Jowls, same thing. See that? Nice and tender. So I'm going to let this cook down a little. I'm going to make me a plate. Put me a little cornbread and chicken wings on there, even though that ain't the focus of the plate, but it'll get the plate more balanced. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. I got to get my weapons here. Got me some pepper sauce. Got me a little Crystal hot sauce here. Got me a fork. Let me show you that cabbage. Look at that cabbage on there. Look at that. Of course, the chicken wings on there just to balance the plate off. I told y'all about that. And I will, y'all, pretty soon, I will share the recipe for the chicken wings. So I know y'all go, oh, what, I need to, I will get it to you. I'll get it to you somehow. Don't worry about it. So it's all about the cabbage today. So, all right. I'm going to put a little hot sauce on this cabbage. I mean, pepper sauce. Little crystals here. We'll put some crystals on them chicken wings too. Can't go wrong with that, huh? A little cornbread recipe I'm trying out too, y'all. Something new there. Everything gonna be new for 2023. A little cornbread on here. I told you my mama used to eat this with her fingers. Okay. Oh wow. Let me get a little bit more there. There you go, Kenna. Look at that fat right there. That salt Joe. I'm telling y'all. Chicken wing here. Had nothing to do with the video. But I'm gonna try a little piece of that. Nice and crispy. Ooh, that hot sauce hit the bottom of the throat, y'all. But this was a New Year's Day tradition. Of course, we didn't have chicken wings. I would have chitlins on this plate. We would have chitlins, black-eyed peas, cabbage, cornbread. That was it. That was my New Year's Day meal since I was, what I tell y'all, knee-high to a grasshopper. One more bite here. I'm gonna close the video out. Look at that. I love me some cabbage, y'all. I'll take cabbage over mustard green, collard green, turnip green. Give me some cabbage. I'll take it 10 out of 10 times. Yep. So anyway, y'all, let me close the video. If you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my social media account, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Learn the hashtag 2023, helping others with a purpose. Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.